Good morning to all. Today we will read Unit 9, Subject and Predicate in English Practice Book. Let us start now. Read the following. The monkeys took away the basket full of fruits. Discuss with your friend and try to find out what the sentence is about. Is it about the monkeys, the basket, or the fruits? The above sentence is about the monkeys. Let us divide the sentence into two. We will divide this sentence into two parts. The monkeys took away the basket full of fruits. The monkeys took away the basket full of fruits. This sentence is divided into two parts. Part 1, the monkeys, and part 2, took away the basket full of fruits. The first part tells us who the sentence is about. It means the sentence is about the monkeys. And the second part provides us more information about the first part, took away the basket full of fruits. This second part provides us more information about the first part, about the monkeys, that the monkeys took away the basket full of fruits. The part of the sentence that tells us what the sentence is about is called the subject. And the second part tells us more about the subject is called the predicate. It means this is subject and this is predicate. Now look at some more examples. Sumit is reading an email. Again we will divide this sentence into two parts. Sumit, the subject. Who the sentence is about? It means the sentence is about Sumit. And second part, predicate, is reading an email. It means this part is telling about Sumit and giving more information about Sumit, that Sumit is reading an email. Now come in next page. Neha has bought a book. We have divided into two parts. Neha has bought a book. Neha is subject and has bought a book predicate. Tells about what Neha has done. Next, Karan and Rohan were playing tennis. Subject Karan and Rohan and predicate were playing tennis. The beautiful flower filled the air with its fragrance. Subject is the beautiful flower and predicate is filled the air with its fragrance. It means this part is saying about this one, that the beautiful flower filled the air with its fragrance. Do the elephants have any teeth? Here, the elephants. This is a subject and this is a predicate. Have any teeth? That is predicate. Who broke the chair? It means someone broke the chair. That's why who is subject and broke the chair predicate. Next, are you Ritu's brother? You, that is subject, and Ritu's brother predicate, and this part is joined as this part. This part is connected to this part. Are you Ritu's brother? It means you is subject and Ritu's brother is predicate.